Hey Stitchers, it's your girl Kris here. Welcome back to my channel Unsewcial, where it's totally cool to be obsessed with sewing. So for today's video, we're going to go and do a quick unboxing. But before we do that, can I tell you that the weather today has been absolute rubbish. It has been raining non-stop all day today. In fact, it started around maybe around 9 o'clock or so last night, and I don't think it stopped raining since. My drive home from work today was crazy. There was so much debris on the road, and it felt like my car was gonna wash right away. At one point, I had to take my phone out just to capture how much water there was on the road. Thankfully, your girl survived and made it home. Even more importantly, because I got a package. I went to the post office today and I was able to collect a package which I have gotten from Minerva. Now, in case you don't know, I am a Minerva ambassador, which means that I have the option of requesting fabrics during their fabric callouts. And I requested two fabrics in the, was it December or January callouts? And I finally got my hands on them. So I'm going to be sharing that with you today. But before I show you the goodies that I got, let me stand up quickly and share with you what I'm wearing. So I wore this dress to work today, and it is one of my older makes. I made this, I think, when I started my sewing journey sometime in 2018, and if not 2018, then in 2019. This is the Copen shift dress by Made to Sew. I'll go ahead and drop the line drawings in so that you guys can see what she looks like. And even though I made this dress like 4 or 5 years ago, I still wear her very frequently to work. I loved the fabric which I had gotten on a trip to Guyana. I was able to visit a fabric store and I pulled this fabric and I made it up into this shift dress. And like I said, it still gets regularly worn in my work rotation. Now, about the fabric that I got today. So I got my fabric from Minerva. Can you see that my parcel has been ripped? Thankfully, my fabric doesn't look like it was affected. Now, customs did have to open my package today to inspect it and to charge me my import duties, but I haven't actually taken my fabrics out. So I'm going to do that for you now and perhaps surprise myself and remind myself what fabrics I actually ordered. So the first one, oops. Oh my God, you guys, look at this fabric. Oh my word. This fabric is, oh my gosh, wouldn't this make the most incredible Valentine's Day dress? Now, today when I'm recording is the 8th of February, and this video will go live tomorrow, which is the 9th of February for Friday Sews. So you see this on the 9th of February, which gives me just a couple days to get her washed, pressed, and cut and then sewn up if I want to complete this for Valentine's Day. Now, I'm not sure whether I can actually do it because I have no idea what I want to make with this fabric, but this is gorgeous. I wonder if my husband would mind celebrating Valentine's Day a little bit late just so that your girl can make this fabric into something amazing, because this is truly spectacular. Now, I think if I'm not mistaken, this is one of the Minerva core, the Minerva exclusive fabrics. And I think this one is a Viscose Challis. Let me see if I can double check. Oh no, it doesn't say what the substrate is, but I'm pretty sure that this is a Viscose Challis, but I'll go back in my email and find out what I ordered, and I'll put it in the description box just in case you guys want to pick up some of this gorgeous fabric. Now, I did get 3 meters, which is just enough to make myself the most amazing, twirly, voluminous dress, but we'll see what this one becomes. Now, my next fabric, because I did tell you that it's two, is, oops, this baby right here. Ooh, look at this purple, you guys. I hardly ever buy solid fabrics. I'm more of a print girl, but I decided that for 2024, I want to get some more solid fabrics into my fabric rotation. And you guys, this purple is everything. Now, purple is my favorite color. In fact, I think my wedding colors was this shade of purple, this deep, rich, royal shade of purple. and I love this. Again, I can't remember what substrate I got, so I'll have to double check and put the information in the description box. But this is such a gorgeous color. Again, I did get 3 meters, which means I have enough to make a voluminous and twirly dress, or in fact, I can probably even make separates with it if I chose to, because I think I do have enough fabric for it. I would love to have been able to make a pair of trousers from this fabric. I think this purple shade is everything, but your girl still is having lots of difficulties getting trouser patterns to fit me the way I want them to fit me. And there is no way I'm going to go and muck about my fabric with a pair of trousers. So I'm going to have to go and have a think about what I want this beauty to become. All right, guys, so that's all I needed to share with you today. It's a very quick video. It's just 2 fabrics, but I thought that you guys needed to see. Now, once I decide what I want to make with these gorgeous beauties, then I'll be back to share my sewing plans with you. But that's all I have for you guys today. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and if you like my fabric. Don't forget to hit the subscribe icon, turn the notification bell, all the good stuff that YouTube likes. And I will see you again sometime soon, I think on Sunday, for my next video. So until then, stay cool, stay safe, keep sewing. Peace.